English shortened senior 120 words per minute ஃபஸ்ட் பேப்பர் மாடல் கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர் ஜான்வரி 2021 கீழே டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் இதோட பிடிஎஃப் கொடுத்துருக்கேன் பார்த்துக்கோங்க அப்படியே சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிவிடுங்க உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது டிக்டேஷனாக கண்டிப்பாக கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள் நான் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறேன் ஓகே 5 seconds 3 seconds start. Ladies and gentlemen, all of you are aware that we have been trying our best to reach the point of development and more so in the case of industries. We have reached a stage wherein we are in a position to export food grains also from the stage of importing the same from other countries under different agreements. We have now come to a stage of meeting any situation that may arise in future times to come. It is only, I believe, because of the green revolution and also due to the fact that we have adopted advanced methods of agriculture. At this juncture, I may not remind you of the country which has its population growing at a rapid rate. It will come in the way of our progress in all fields as we have to deliver the goods needed to the people in large quantities. However much we produced and claim ourselves to be the masters in achieving certain targets in the field of agriculture, we are faced with certain other problems like the price for the farmer, that is producer, and the consumer. It is a vicious circle in which we are searching. With all these obstacles, we are able to come out successful in this field of agriculture. We are going to a point of solving certain other problems. I may in this connection mention to you our sincere efforts to bring up the people who are at the lowest level to that of an ordinary citizen who can make his both ends meet. We have yet to make our efforts to see that every citizen of this country lives his life without difficulty or hardship. I have no doubt in my mind that we will be able to make the lower strata of society to come up to the accepted level and lead a happier life. We have all along been witnessing violence and other anti-social activities throughout the country. We have been reading in the newspapers day in and day out that violence breaking out in one place or the other in the country, making the people lead their lives in fear. But our efforts in curbing such activities by leading firmly with some sections of people brought in food results. It is in the fitness of things that I should strike a note of warning in order to make you realize the danger lurking at us from the borders of this country. It is only when we are united and disciplined that we can meet any situation. But I feel very happy when I remember about the dangers that we faced on our borders because our people stood as one man and became the supporting force to our country. I have every confidence that our people will arise up to any occasion and meet the situation successfully. Before I conclude my speech, I would like to appeal to you all to cultivate the habits of not wasting anything which is useful to the people in the society. That means to say that I want you to be of some help to your fellow citizens, whatever be the help you are able to render to others, so as to enable the society to have a good atmosphere. You are all aware that ours is a country which is secular. Our people have the spirit of tolerance and respect for the other religious people. Our country is having various religions. Whatever it may be, our aim is to save the people and to save the people at all times. Thank you. Letter from the manager Sona and Company, Coimbatore, to Messrs. Krishna and Company, Salem. Dear sirs, we have received your letter dated the 5th instant and noted the contents therein. In this connection, we would like to inform you that we are having ready stock of non-block pump set motors. We request you to furnish your requirements so as to enable us to send the consignments. Further, we wish to inform you that our products are manufactured with high quality raw materials and designs in good look. The power consumption of our motors is very less. Therefore, there is considerable benefit of electricity charges. The farmers like our motors because of its model and speed. The pumping power of our motors is high and the water flow per minute is more than 50 liters. We give 5 years warranty for these motors. If any defect found during the warranty period, we will replace it completely. If you book for bulk orders for any farmers group, we will depute our engineers for installation of these motors at free of cost. As soon as we got orders for bulk supply, we deliver them within 24 hours. We are using high quality copper wire for motor winding. Hence, our motors run for more lifetime than the other company motors. Kindly send your requirements immediately. We will intimate you about the advance amount required by us on receipt of your orders. Thanking you. Yours faithfully, Stop. ஸோ இந்த டிக்டேஷனை கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா கண்டிப்பாக ட்ரான்ஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்போ தான் உங்கள் மிஸ்டேக் என்னது அந்த மிஸ்டேக்கை ரெக்டிஃபை பண்ண முடியும். ஓகே, லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது டிக்டேஷனை கண்டிப்பாக கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், நான் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறேன். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங்.